Welcome to Priory Academy. It is a privilege to be the head teacher of Priory Academy. It is an extremely popular school in the local area, and there are waiting lists for places across all year groups. We pride ourselves on our sense of community, both within the school and the wider locality. Priory Academy is an ambitious school where students are encouraged to achieve more than they ever thought was possible.
The teachers at Priory Academy are always supportive and they offer me the advice and guidance that I need. At first I felt nervous about moving to a new school, but I quickly made great friends at Priory and I really enjoy learning here.
We have an excellent reputation academically, which is based on our outstanding teaching and learning.
Here at Priory Academy, I enjoy using the new technologies that help me to learn.
Sustainability is something we feel passionately about at Priory Academy, and I am a proud member of the Eco Committee.
Our students acquire the skills and confidence needed to be leaders of the future.